morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another vlog. Today guys, I'm showing you the area of my home. Yeah, this is home. And guys, I'm here to have another journey. So I'm going to Samburu. I'll definitely tell you where in Samburu, but I'm going to Samburu today. And I'm going to bring you an amazing story that has never been shared. Okay, it has been shared by people, but not so many people. So today I'm going to have that chance. So take a book and a pen and have some fun.
The time when we get here, so our house is so big because of this thing. So we put the food every day or even the week. But this time we put the whole pepper, so we remain with one now. So we don't have even the enough powder to cover our house.
So other women, the ones in the group, you don't call men to help you.
Maybe some
That will sound boring, but as you're doing the cow down, as you're doing this, I'll just ask you different questions as you explain for me, and maybe by the end of it, I shall have a story. It's okay. When it's done, can keep doing it.
So when it reaches 8 years, we remove the old one and we put the new one. But now we see it have some cracks. So we have to cover the cracks each week. But now, the time when we get rain, so our house is so leaked.
So guys, let's get it in the house and let me show you around where I'm going to stay for the night. Wow. The weather here is so cold.
So this place here, we use as a sitting room. So we stay together and teach each other how to make the bed.
Yes.
Because here in Umoja, we are 3 categories of the ladies. So we have Turkanas, Samburu, and also Rentile. So the Turkanas and Rentile, they don't know how to make the bed. And here in Umoja, we depend on them to make the bed. So we teach each other how to make this bed, so they can be independent. And the other, this room, the Samburu houses, they have 2 rooms. So the big room here, it is for the visitors' room, and also place where our children are having discussion and also getting the preps at the evening time. So they do discussion together. And the other room there, it is where mom sleep, this room. And us, we use the goat skin and also cow skin as our mattress. So now the time when we get rain, the houses it is so deep because we don't have enough cow dung to cover the houses, and some houses we don't have the nylon to put on the time when we get rain. So some houses have a leak inside. So here we have the kitchen side. So we use the stones and also the firewood to prepare our food. And here we have the table. So we put our utensils up there. So we put our utensils up there. And this yard is time when we have the cattle, we store milk here before the Turkanos can keep it. So the first time we put our milk inside, and now we feed our children. So we mix it with the blood and then we feed our children the time when we don't have the food.
Oh, like blood.
Blood.
How is blood with milk? How does it taste?
We normally using it because it is a culture. So we drink even the red blood without the milk. So, but the children, they fear the red color. So we mix it with blood, with milk, a lot of milk. So it is, because when we drink the red in the blood, it is thick. But when we put the milk, it is light. So the children can use it the time when we don't.
Does it prevent diseases? Like, can you get sick drinking blood?
No, we can't get sick.
Wow. So guys, this is where I'm going to spend my night today, here in Samburu Umoja community. She is my favorite friend for now, and I'm going to stay with her all day, all night, sleep together and get to learn more about the Samburu people.
Go.